I was seriously contemplating moving to Mexico. It's almost correct because you would not say moving to Mexico, right? You can say I was seriously contemplating a move to Mexico, because when you're talking about moving, okay, so no, sorry, when you say a move, right? So a move refers to like an action, okay? So it's like more concise, it's more grammatically correct, okay? The sentence that you make is grammatically correct. There's no issue with the grammar or anything. But you know, when we write, it should have a little more clarity, or maybe emphasis on what you are doing. So when you say I am contemplating moving to Mexico, it almost sounds what would you say, a little casual, right? So if like, you can change it to it sounds better. Okay, the next is whisper. I whispered into my friend's ear, let's go out today. Do you see any sort of you can say, I won't say problem, but do you see any something's different about this sentence? Okay, so you have to put a comma after year, because, and you can also put like the inverted commas, because you are quoting your own words directly. I whispered in my friend's ear, comma, inverted commas, let's go out today.